Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So let's start the session. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how we can utilize quantity pricing schedule in NetSuite and what it is already we have discussed in our video. So if you don't find that, so you have to go to YouTube channel and search on the Sweet Stream channel. So you will get that channel, and you will find that videos, all the video related NetSuite related video topic wise from starting we are providing. So that will be very helpful for basic level understanding. So just need to search on YouTube Sweet Stream tutorial. So that will be get that you will get a YouTube channel, and from there you can find. And please that subscribe my YouTube channel and comment and watch the videos to get clarity. So all the videos we have created here from topic wise, so that will be definitely helpful for you. So let's start for the new topic. So in previous topic we have covered like what is quantity pricing schedule and how it will be beneficial for customer. So let's start the demo. First, I will just take the overview on that. So you need to navigate to accounting. I will navigate to accounting, then quantity pricing schedule, and here quantity pricing schedule. So this is the quantity pricing schedule we have structured, configured. So this way it will be applicable based on customers. So that we'll test with our transaction today. So already I think we have created transaction. Let's utilize that. So first you have to assign that quantity pricing schedule to the sales order. Then only it will be applicable. So here it is sales order. So let's, if I will edit here, you will understand. So here, if you see here, let's make the quantity. So quantity price is so here base price is not changing. It's the original base price 5,000. So if I will make it 49 even, then also it will be remain same. So if I will make it 50, will it change? Yes, of course it will change. So here it will change. So 5% discount will be applied to that up to 550 quantity. So if I will make it 74, so it will not change. If I will make it 75, then again it will change up to 10%. So here it is applied, and how it is working. So let's make it 90 and test. Again not changing. So if I will make it 100, then again it will change. So, like how the quantity, based on quantity selection, how the discount percentage was applying. So now you understood, right? So based on this, we can use a quantity pricing schedule. This is a flat rate discount, like because we are not using marginal. So marginal is like a little bit different. Based on that pricing discount level, it was applying on the based on quantity change. So based on this, it will apply and it will give a discount to the customer, and it will be easy to helpful for customer when they are buying on the bulk. So this is a use of quantity pricing schedule. I hope this will helpful for you. And yeah, I think that's it for me. Thank you for watching. And for more video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow and press the bell icon button for that notification. So whenever a new video will be uploaded, you will get notification, and you will get that video first. Then you will watch and you will understand. You will get clarity on that. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also I will provide the link if possible. So what are the link if required, like some navigation link or YouTube channel link if required. So I will also provide in the description, so that will be helpful for you to find. So thank you for watching, and see you in our next video with next topics. So let's discuss what will be our next topic. So in our next topic, we'll discuss about item masters. So in that masters, like what are the different types of items, like how we are using items. So I think that's it. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Bye.